patterns can be stylish, colorful, minimalistic, or highly detailed. They can be soft and gentle, but they can also be terrifying, dark and sinister. With Halloween just around the corner, we're inviting you to dive into the shadows and join our Halloween pattern contest. Amazing prizes are up for grabs. Are you brave enough to enter? Hi there, my spooky pattern friends. It is Michel here from Rapper. Welcome to our Halloween pattern competition. This is your chance to showcase your creepiest, most sinister designs and take home either the jury or public prize. Both winners will get a free year of Rapper. Here is how it works. I challenge you to post your darkest, most twisted patterns. But remember, creativity is key. While we love those classic pumpkin and ghost motifs, we would like to challenge you to submit designs that are original, stylish and innovative. You will get bonus points for getting Halloween into a fresh, modern direction. How to join? Create your most spine-chilling, original Halloween pattern. Go to the Export tab, set it to 2000 by 2000 pixels, and adjust the zoom scale to get the look you like. Go to the 3D tab and select Witch Hat. Apply the zoom scale to your taste. Use the smart backdrop to get a nice background. Or go the extra mile. Export without backdrop and add your own scary one. Follow @rapper_app on Instagram. Post a carousel of both your pattern and witch hat in Instagram. If you don't know how to create a carousel on Instagram, check the link in the description for a tutorial. Maximum 3 subscriptions per person are allowed. Tag us in the description @rapper_app and use the tag #RapperHalloween so we get notified. 3 days before Halloween, we will post a shortlist for the public vote. We will count the likes on Halloween, 31st of October at 8 AM Central European Time Zone. Any likes after that won't count. On Halloween, we will announce both the public and jury prize winners. That's it, my spooky friends. Whether you stick to eerie classics or take a bold and modern twist, we are dying to see your sinister designs. Good luck, and may the creepiest creation win.